Hi, this is Corey Erickson. The purpose of this video today is to show you how to check in and check out Bookroom materials. It is the responsibility of the bookroom or of the classroom teacher to check in, check out, and shelve these materials. At Rubber Frost, I've made it as simple as I think it could be. Our books are organized by DRA level, and then within the DRA level, they are organized alphabetically by the title of the book. So let's get started and I'll show you how it all works. On the desktop computer, there'll be an icon on the desktop that'll say Robert Frost Elementary. It might say home, it might say library. When you double click on that, it'll open to our library homepage. You'll want to start by clicking login. Spinning, give it just a minute. And your login information is going to be your computer login that you use to get on your computer in the mornings. This is my personal computer, so I had auto-saved the password. I can click login, and it shows up my name up there at the top. Next thing I want to do is click circulation. And if I'm checking out materials, the first thing I'll need to do is identify that I'm checking out these materials to myself. So I need to enter my employee ID number, 16907. I don't think that's right. 6035. 16035. There we go. So that's my employee ID number, and it shows me what materials I currently have checked out to myself. And then using the scanner, I can just start scanning away and automatically check out the books to me. So I just checked out Andy Shane and the Pumpkin Trick, and I can just keep checking out until I am done. And what I like about this is it shows me how many materials I currently have checked out. So I have 4. Once I'm done, I can click log out, exit, and go back to my business. When I come back in and I need to return the books, the only difference, so I'm back to the home page, the only difference on this time is under circulation. I want to do check-in, and for here you can just start scanning away. You're not going to be checking these books out to yourself. You can just scan number and or the barcode, and it'll automatically get returned for you. And then what I like about this also, it shows how many books I have checked out after I check that one in. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know. I am more than willing to help you out. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you and have a great day.